I want to start out this video by saying that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and my mother had passed away 12 years ago, and she did have breast cancer when she passed, so it's near and dear to my heart. What we are doing is we're creating a specific code for our shop, and it is donate5. Basically, use that code at shop.thesalonguy.com. You'll be getting a 5% discount, and then we're going to be matching 5% of that to donate to the Susan G. Komen Foundation, which is a great foundation, and we're going to be doing that for the entire month of October. So we'd appreciate all your support. Again, shop.thesalonguy.com. Thank you, and let's get started today's video. Do bangs make you look older? I think yes. In my experience as a professional for many, many years, anytime someone has wanted to create, a fringe or bangs, I have felt that it doesn't not only make you look a little bit older, maybe, but I'd say more mature. So I've done haircuts on girls who are maybe in their late teens or early 20s, like, I want to have bangs or I want to have a fringe, and oh my gosh, every time in my experience that I've done it, it's made them look more mature, AKA older. Doesn't mean it's a horrible thing, but I have done haircuts even on girls I don't even know, 14, 15, whatever, 16, give them the fringe here, and all of a sudden they're 19, 20, 21, because it just matures you so much. It's a mature, sophisticated look. Doesn't mean you're an old person or you look horrible, but in my experience, it does make you appear a bit more mature. Now, why does that happen? Well, first of all, think about this. When you don't have any sort of bangs or fringe, right, and say you are a bit younger, you've got beautiful skin, you look young, you look great, what's happening is, guess what? We're now closing that off. So what's happening is you're hiding a lot of those younger features. That beautiful skin, the perfect eyebrows, the youthful look, you're camouflaging or closing some of that off, that they're not seeing that. So what's happening is people are forced to kind of just see a little bit of your eyes and, not so much of this area, which tends to keep people looking young. I think, eyes are very, very important, and eyes are really, that's what you look at. So if you're closing that off a bit more, obviously it's not going to, make you look as young initially. With all this off the face, yes, that's when you're seeing all the features. Once you start to camouflage and hide it, things change a bit. And that's why I think, again, you could still be very, very young, get this type of haircut, and all of a sudden it's like, whoa, what are you, 22, 23? No, I'm 16. Well, that's what's happening, is you're still young. This is making you look a bit more mature. Now, if you are of a mature age, let's just say, for example, 50 and up, you get something like this, it may have the reverse effect because I'm getting older, we're all getting older, and certain things start to happen and change on your face that all of a sudden you're going, wait a minute, I want to start to hide these wrinkles. As you get older, it may make you look a bit younger. So it could have the reverse effect if the haircut is done right and you have the right type of bangs. But I have seen that where in this situation, the client or the individual looks younger when they are older when getting this type of haircut. Again, it all really, really, really depends. You could be in your 50s and have beautiful, perfect skin. Same thing. Will it make you look older? Maybe. But I know that's my opinion as a stylist. Now, say, for example, you are a teenager and you want to have, the famous TikTok haircut, and you want to have all that hair on your face. Now, technically, I guess this is considered a fringe or bangs. Does this make you look older? Say you're a teen boy and you're 14. Does this make you look older or younger having this type of haircut? Well, it's kind of the same philosophy. I think that, yes, you are camouflaging and covering up a lot of the features, the forehead, the great skin, but at the same time, you could be covering up and camouflaging things like maybe acne or skin issues that you aren't seeing when you're covering this up. So it may just make this the focus point, and you've got great skin. So by covering this up, yes, your skin looks very youthful, so you could look younger. But at the same time, again, this to me makes you look a bit more mature. Even though it's a very trendy haircut, I think if you're a 14-year-old, kid and you get this type of haircut, to me, automatically, I'm like, you just aged like 4 years or so. Because it's, again, closing off a lot of the face. It's going to make you appear more mature. My opinion as a stylist, take it for what it is. But, so overall, yes, I think bangs or fringe can make you look a bit more mature. And don't take that as a bad thing. Older is not bad. More mature is not bad. And, I think in my opinion, I've seen a lot of people who are younger who want to be a bit more mature. You tell them, oh, what are you like, 19, 20, 25? They're like, oh my God, thank you. And they're like 18. So some people like the fact that they look a little older when they're younger. Of course, when we get older, we want to look younger. But that's how, that's my take on can bangs or fringe, make you look older. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've ever encountered this before, if you're dealing with this, if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.